Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video, which I am flipping beside myself about because look what just popped through my letterbox. Well, not literally, it would not fit, but it's the Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. I've seen pictures of this online and I cannot wait to crack this bad boy open with you guys. I've been waiting for a couple of days until I could actually film with this, and I have not touched it. I've not opened the box because I wanted to share the joy and the excitement with you guys. We're going to do a live unboxing. We're going to take a look at all of the little trinkets inside here, as well as that all important packaging. So if you want to see what the advent calendar looks like in real life, if you want to see what is behind all of those doors, if you want to know all of my thoughts on this year's advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury, then keep watching. Okay, so before I dive headfirst into this pool of Charlotte Tilbury delights, here is all of the information that you need to know about this year's Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. So this is available now. It has fully launched. It is ready to be delivered. There's no pre-order, waitlist, nothing like that. You just order it as you would anything else from her website. It is, of course, limited edition and it does sell out fairly quickly every year. So don't hang about if you are desperate to get one of these because it doesn't stick around for forever. This year's calendar will set you back £170 or $220 for a value of £243 worth of Charlotte Tilbury goodness. So you will be saving £73 on the contents if you were to buy them all individually. There are 12 doors and 3 full-size products. One more thing to note, this chest of love is not recyclable. It's designed to be kept and used as maybe a jewelry box or like a little trinket storage. I've had several of these over the years and they are such high quality and you absolutely can use them for a very, very long time in another purpose. So they aren't designed to be sort of open, getting contents out and then throw the box away. The box is designed to be sort of a treasure to keep your other treasures in, if you like. Okay, so that's enough jibber jabbering on. I'm so excited to open this. Let's take a look at the external packaging, which is almost as delightful as what is inside. I just don't know if Charlotte Tilbury will ever be defeated as the advent calendar packaging champion of the universe. I mean, this is literally just the box that the advent calendar comes in and it's so beautiful. On the back we have all of the contents and the ingredients, and then this is the top. Now I know that packaging is not as important as what's inside, but I do like that given this is a really expensive item that we've made the extra effort so that even the box itself is like a joy to behold and open. I love that we have all of those extra little details and it's so beautiful. It just makes it more exciting. I haven't even lifted the lid yet. I was waiting for you guys. So inside it says, "Open me for love and beauty secrets." Gorgeous. Oh, and then it has the same message in French. Love that. And here is the advent calendar inside. Let's get her out. Wow, look at this. It feels and looks so much more beautiful than I was expecting it to. The little handles are just stunning and they feel so high quality. I really thought they were going to be really, like they were going to feel really cheap plasticky, but they actually feel and look beautiful. Obviously they're very cutesy, very Charlotte Tilbury, but they look gorgeous actually. I thought they were going to look a bit more, I don't know, just like less expensive and less pretty. Wow, it feels very weighty as well. And I've already realized as I was getting this out of the box that if you watch my advent calendar rundown, my top 10 advent calendars for the year video, which is coming up very, very soon, probably tomorrow as you're watching this, I've already made a mistake because I thought this lid didn't come off and I've already realized it in fact does. Let's take a close-up look at this bad boy. So as I said, this top lid does in fact pop off, and it has this beautiful message inside, which reads, "May all your beauty dreams come true," in English and French, from Charlotte Tilbury. There's that stunning lid. And so you have a nice, this is empty, it just had the sort of, you know, the like beads that come inside to keep it fresh and dry, and that's a really nice little storage area. I fully made the mistake of thinking that this was just glued down and that there was nothing inside here. Obviously there is nothing inside here, but the fact that you could actually use this for more jewelry as well as the boxes is a big bonus that I didn't realize was the case. It feels very, very heavy, solid. Everything feels great quality and really nice, beautiful, glitzy Charlotte Tilbury packaging. Exactly what you would want and expect from a Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. Okay, so let's start cracking these drawers open. So as far as I can see, there are no numbers on here, which again is great for sort of keeping and reusing, because it doesn't look like an advent calendar with, you know, numbers on everything and making it very, very Christmassy, although it does look very festive with the red and the sparkles, but there aren't numbers printed on the outside of the doors. So we're just going to go in the order, I guess, that you would expect. So top to bottom, left to right. Oh my God, I did not realize this. I'm so glad we're doing this together because this is so exciting. These doors do not just open straight out, they're like angled. Have a look at this. Do you see how that opens? So the drawers fully pull out so you can get your items really easily. And the inside, which is shaped to the product, you can pull that out so that you can just use this, you know, for earrings or anything that you would like to reuse this for. And this, again, it's very heavy duty cardboard. The insert is like lighter paper, but this feels really sturdy, really excellent quality. And behind that first door, we have a Hyaluronic Happy Kiss lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And this is one of the full-sized items. Absolutely love this formula. It's so beautiful. It's like Charlotte Tilbury's sort of answer to the quite pigmented, actually, but really hydrating, sort of balmy formulas. A Click Up. I have reviewed these before and I really like them. Okay, moving on to the second drawer, and this opens exactly the same as the first, but it's longer because we have a pencil in here. So this is a travel size of Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lip liner. Perfect for traveling with. Of course, we had to have some Pillow Talk products in here. What did you expect? Drawer number 3. Okay, so we're going sort of the other way with the slant now. What's in here? Oh, okay. So we have her Pillow Talk eyeliner, again in that travel size, same size as the lip cheat. I love this liner. It's this gorgeous sort of rich burgundy brown shade, really lovely in the waterline. I also love using this for a wing liner because it's not so red that it looks red. It just has a bit of an interesting tone to it that isn't just a straight brown, but very soft and flattering as opposed to using a black. Door number 4. We're going this way. Oh, this is so cute, that diddy little lipstick. I'm betting this is Pillow Talk from the first few products. Yes, it is. And this is in her Matte Revolution formula. So you've got the liner and a little diddy mini lipstick to travel with. Perfect size for travel. And now I think, yes, we're going to the next row down, which has a bigger drawers. So bigger items. Again, I love the way this opens. I don't know if you'll be able to notice that so well on camera, but it opens in a slant, which I love. It just feels very bougie for some reason. Huge, nice big drawer, and we are holding a Magic Cream Deluxe sample. So this is a 15ml size, beautiful, really lovely, rich moisturizer, perfect if you have a drier skin type before makeup. And this I like because although we didn't need the drawer to be this size for the Magic Cream, that's a great size for like bracelets, bangles and things. So I really feel like we've not only just said that you could use this as a jewelry box, they've actually made it so that the sizes and everything of the drawers work for that purpose. Next drawer. It's so tricky to do this on camera with the way that these drawers open. Oh, okay. So in this box, we have the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray in a travel size, but a really good travel size. How large is this? 34 mils. I love my travel size of the Flawless Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray, the only one I ever use. And I love to have this size because if you're taking it anywhere, I'll refill it from my big size and just keep this one because it's so easy. You could put this in your handbag. Perfect little size. I like that we've got that nice mix of travel sizes and full sizes, because if like me you are a big Charlotte Tilbury lover, you may well have a lot of the products in here, and so having them in a travel size kind of still is useful to have even if you already have the product, because you can use that one for traveling or on trips and things like that. So we're back to smaller drawers on the third row, and we've got my holy grail mascara, the Pillow Talk lashes, which I'm wearing today, and this is in a travel size. Again, a really good travel size. This is 4 mils. That will last you a good long time. Perfect for holiday. If you're going for a couple of weeks even, that is going to easily last you that long. Next up we have a full-sized beauty light wand. What shade is this? Pillow Talk, I'm guessing, is it? No, it's not. It's actually Pinkgasm. Let me swatch because I already have this. So this I will save for a giveaway. So I want to swatch mine and not the one from here so you can see the colour, but I don't touch that, so that can go in a giveaway for somebody. This is absolutely beautiful. Depending on your skin tone, it can be a blush or a highlighter or a bit of both. You know, I flipping love the Beauty Light ones. They are absolutely stunning, and this is possibly one of my favorite shades, because for me, this can be a blushing highlighter, which I absolutely love, and I always take a couple of these on holiday with me because they travel so well, and they're like a 2 for 1, so it means you have to pack less. So we've got a full size of Pinkgasm. Next door we have, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. That is adorable, okay? Oh, that is so cute. I love it. So this is the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. We have 8 mils. How ideal for travel, for holiday. Typically I only take moisturizer because I don't want to pack a whole big thing of skincare, but this would absolutely be coming with me because it's nice and diddy, travel size friendly. Okay, so the last drawer on this row. Oh, we've got another Diddy mini travel size lipstick. I hope this is a different shade. It is. So this is Hollywood Vixen, which again is in the Matte Revolution formula. Perfect Christmas red. Tell me I'm wrong. That's absolutely perfect for Christmas. Love that. These little lipsticks are so cute. I flipping love mini anything. Nothing excites me more than going into a restaurant and finding they've got mini salt and pepper shakers. The strength it takes for me not to steal them every time, I can't tell you. Okay, so we are on to these big whooper drawers on the bottom of the advent calendar. How does it open? Again, we've got that gorgeous, lovely slant. I don't know why the slant is exciting me so much. The way this drawer opens. Does that excite anyone else? Or is it just me? I don't know. I'm very easily excited, okay? An angle on the drawer is enough to do it, apparently. So we've got, again, a mini glow toner. So this is 30 mil. I mean, I say a mini, that's a really good size, actually. These are really deluxe size samples. So although it says, you know, we've only got 3 full sizes, these more travel sizes, they're not minis, they're not sample size. They are really large amounts that are going to last you a really long time, and perfect for travel. Perfect as they are skincare items as well, to really try them and see, you know, what it's doing for your skin before you invest in a full size, because, you know, usually a sample, if you get one use out of it, it's not really going to tell you much about what the product's doing for you, is it? We're on the final draw. We're on the final draw and I'm sad. But I think this must be a full size, right? Because I don't think we've had 3 yet. It is a full size. This is so hard to open these drawers on camera when I can't see what I'm doing. We have Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. So this again is a full size 8ml. So this is like a lip balm. I think this is the clear one. Am I right? Am I right? I'm not seeing any colour coming. Yes, so this is the clear one. So this is like a lip balm in the day, can also be used as a lip mask. And I actually don't own this, which is very exciting, because being the Charlotte Tilbury obsessive that I am, I typically own everything in all of the mystery boxes and the advent calendars, but I actually only own the tinted versions of these lip oils. So this is perfect because this is going straight in my handbag. Okay, so there you have it. That is everything in this year's Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. She's absolutely stunning, weighty. Even now I've taken all of the contents out, it feels weighty, solid, really good quality. It's beautiful. That is 100% going on display somewhere. I'm not even going to allow my son to see this year because he stole the previous one and filled it with stones and shells. So I would absolutely use this as a jewelry box, keep special things in. I think it's gorgeous and it's definitely something that you can reuse and keep for some time. The doors I like a lot more than I thought I would. They just look so much prettier in person. They have the rose gold little twisted attachment there, which I really like. I love all of the little touches, from the lid to the little messaging to the external box to the angle that the drawers pull out, that for some reason really excited me. And actually the size of the drawers, they didn't just make them the size of the product, they actually made them a useful size for future use, which I love. I think everything in it is a fantastic mix of a lot of skincare and travel size products that even if you already own them, you can still use them, whether it's just to take with you when you're traveling or to keep in a handbag because it's a smaller size. But the skincare, obviously you can always use more skincare. I personally wish we had more doors, okay? To me, I want 25 doors in my advent calendars. I know that's asking for a lot. And I know that we have bigger items and we've got more space in the drawers, but I would love to see a 25 door Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. Who wouldn't? The other thing I mentioned in my advent calendar breakdown, I thought that this lid would be glued down. So it's actually much better than I thought it was going to be. But I wish this had a hinge with a mirror in the lid. That is the one thing that I would probably change about this, or that I wish they had done, because especially if you're going to use this as a jewelry box, that would be such a great touch, wouldn't it? If that had a hinge and a big mirror inside, I think that would really add to the luxury of it all and just the use of it all. But I'm really glad that it's actually a storage area, because that was a surprise. I didn't realize that was going to be the case, but oh my goodness, isn't she gorgeous? So please let me know all of your thoughts on this advent calendar down below. Are you jumping all over it? Do you already own everything in there and therefore it's an easy pass for you? Are you excited? What do you think of the design? Please let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section down below. But thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.